Hey y'all! So today I'm really excited to share with you guys my natural hair journey. So it's just going to be a series of photos that shows my hair growth or my favorite protective styles or when I had my hair straightened or whatever the case may be over the years since I started transitioning or even when I big chopped. I didn't really big chopped because I transitioned and then I cut my hair afterwards. So I'm just going to be showing y'all my pictures. So first up is going to be a picture from when I was, not wise and I had a perm in my hair. So this picture is from Christmas Day of 2013. My hair was fully permed, and y'all, I thought that my hair was popping. It was always in a little bob, bumped up, and it was really short. So that was Christmas of 2013. That was, after that year, I decided that I needed to go natural. So the next picture is of me during my transitioning phase. So while I transitioned, all I did was pretty much just do twist outs, and then I'd put my hair up in a bun or like a half pineapple type thing, and then I'd have bangs. That was my go-to style for pretty much like the whole summer. So this picture is from August of 2014. So I started my transition, I want to say around May of 2014. I think that's about when I was completely done with perms and I was like, yeah, let's do this, let's transition. So I want to say that's when that was. Then I transitioned for a while because I was too scared to cut my hair off and I didn't want to have a teeny weeny afro, a TWA. So March 13th, 2016 is when I said bye-bye to my permed ends. So this picture is actually the day after I cut off my ends. I had went on a spring break vacation with my best friends, and that's what this picture is from. So I had just cut it, I washed it, I did a wash and go, and I threw a hat on it because I wasn't comfortable with how short my hair was. I was so sad when I cut it, but at the same time I was proud of myself and I was happy that I was completely natural. So that's from there. This next picture is about a month after I cut off all my perm. So I did a twist out on my hair. I had an award ceremony to go to, so I did a twist out on my hair, had a little side part action, and it was cute. I was starting to accept my hair being short. So that's when that's from. And then now we're just gonna bounce all the way to about around Christmas time. This was one of my Christmas pictures with my best friend. So it was December 2016. This is from that picture. This is when my in my face twist out theme started. So that was that. As you can see, the front of my hair was really damaged because I just wore a lot of weaves when I was transitioning, and I would straighten my hair all the time. I didn't really quite get what being natural was about, so the front of my hair was pretty much damaged. This next picture is going to be from my graduation picture. So this was actually one of my protective styles. It was a weave that I put in for my graduation pictures. So that's that. I loved putting in weaves, y'all. I loved it. I loved weave. It made me feel good. I don't know. Put in a long weave with the middle part. Bomb. That's how I felt. Bomb. But after a while, I was like, okay, the weave's helping my hair grow, but at the same time, I'm damaging my front. My leave out is just getting damaged. The curl pattern is all off. So after a while, I decided not to get any more weaves, but I did get it one more time, and we'll get there. So this next picture I'm going to show you guys is going to be from May of 2017. did a twist out in my hair and I didn't like it. So I ended up throwing it in a kind of pineapple thing, but I just made it to where it was all in the front of my hair, and it turned out really cute. I really liked it. This was the night of my graduation kickback with my friends. We were celebrating. We had just came back from conference and we didn't get to walk the stage at graduation because we were at a track meet. So we came back and we celebrated, and that's how I did my hair for that night. The next one is going to be from August of 2017, and it was a few days before I put in weave for the last time. I'm going to say that was a twist out that kind of poofed up. I don't know, Houston weather is really weird, so my hair is never really flourishing. And then, now, it's from my, this was my favorite weave hairstyle. The short bob that I wore for graduation in August. It was my favorite. I love it. If I ever get weave again, it's probably going to be that, even though my hair might be too long for it. I don't know, but I just loved this hairstyle. It was one of my favorite weaves. It's the same weave from my graduation pictures. I just cut it and rocked a bob, and that was what I did for graduation. So after I took my weave out, this is September 2017, I went to the museum with my friends and I just did a twist out. I thought this was one of the most bomb twist outs I've ever done, and now that I'm looking back at this picture, I'm like, whew, humidity got it. But around 2017 is where I finally started to see growth in my hair and when I was a lot more comfortable in doing different styles. So I was happy with that. In October of 2017, I did a length check, so I got my hair straightened, and this is what this picture's from. Me and my best friend, we took pumpkin patch pictures that day, and that's when I had my hair straightened. I want to say it was about to my collarbone, and I was really happy with myself, you know. I will say though, after that time straightening my hair, I had not straightened it until this past Christmas break. So I went over a year without straightening my hair. I was so proud of myself, and I'll show y'all my hair straight in a picture coming up. This next one is from Thanksgiving Day of 2017. It's just the protective style I had in. I think I love bobs because I got bob braids, and this is also one of my favorite hairstyles. I really like this, and yeah. So the next one is gonna be one of my favorite hairstyles. This was the day I perfected my perm rod set. It was New Year's Eve of 2017. I did a perm rod set and I was so in love with it, y'all. It was so pretty. Look at it. It was so pretty. It was my favorite. After that, I fell in love with perm rod sets, and that's what I do if I have a big event. I'm gonna put in some perm rods in my hair because I just really loved how it looked. It was my favorite. I was bombing. Nobody can tell me nothing. The next one is going to be from Valentine's Day of 2018. I went to go see Brent Faiyaz at a concert, and I'm pretty sure that was a perm rod set that the humidity had gotten to. So it was just really poofy, and I just wanted to show y'all the difference and how Houston weather does not let my hair flourish. So ever since I moved to Missouri, my hairstyles have been lasting, and I have been in love because it's not as humid. And you know, I don't really have to worry about my hair just falling or poofing up when I go outside. But in Houston, that's what happens. My birthday, March 22nd of 2018, it was another perm rod that poofed up because of the Houston weather, but I could definitely see the growth in my hair between that February and that March. May of 2018, I put in some braids again. It was getting my hair, I think I was tired of doing my hair, so I just threw some braids in, some long braids this time. I love long braid look. This was Jambalaya in Houston. I really just went to go see J. Cole, but it was a fun time, and my hair was cute. I was bomb, having fun. And that's that. And then the next one will be from July of 2018. So this is when I officially was in Missouri. After Jambalaya, I moved to Missouri. So this is my hair and how it's been growing in Missouri. The weather, I think the weather in Missouri has helped my hair grow a lot because it's not humid and I get to just do a lot more things with my hair. It's just, I think the weather's been good for my hair. So this is from July of 2018. We were at Pineapple Fest. That's my friend Allie. And I'm pretty sure I just had a twist out in my hair that kind of, I didn't purposely separate it to do a side part. It kind of just did that, I guess. That's that. The next picture is going to be my best friend's birthday brunch. This was also a twist out, but I was in Houston. I went back home to celebrate her birthday, and it kind of poofed up, but it wasn't too bad. So it grew, and this is when I officially started to have to use bobby pins to pin my hair up, because if I just let it down, it'd be like down here. Coming up next is going to be my hair November of 2018. This is a picture I took before I got on the road to go drive to a concert, because I love concerts and I will drive anywhere to go to a concert. So this is when I went to go see Black in Memphis, Tennessee, and I loved every moment of that concert. I just love him. But I did a twist out on my hair, and it was really, I really liked it. It was touching my shoulder more than it was in September. It grew. I could really tell the growth and the difference in my hair. It was wild. But then I realized, that I should probably cut my hair because I haven't done that in a while. So I did a little trim a couple months before that, I believe. I think I trimmed my hair. Okay, let me backtrack. That picture I showed you with Allie, that's when I trimmed my hair, and that's why it was a little shorter. So in September was it growing back, and then in November, then that's showing how it grew even more. That's what happened. I cut it in June. The next picture is going to be my hair after I washed it. Now, my hair doesn't ever fall like this when I wash it, y'all, but it's been getting longer, so it's been falling more. And I was just so proud and so happy that my hair was finally growing back after I trimmed it. I was so sad. It just felt so short after I trimmed it, and it was growing back. Then I went home, December. This is when I dyed my hair red. Next up is Christmas Day of 2018. You can see my fiery red hair. This was another perm rod set, and I used gel on this one, so my curls were a little tighter, so it wasn't as big as it usually was, but I was still so in love with my hair. I think it's because of the color. It's really nice. I like this color, and it's about time for me to re-dye my hair because now it has like this rusty color that I don't really like. Here is when I did my silk press. So I did my silk press a few days after I took that Christmas picture. So this picture is actually like a day or two before I washed my hair from the silk press. So that's showing you how my hair grew a little bit past my collarbone, and I had also cut my hair in between because I let my ends get too bad, so I had to cut a lot off. So I was happy with how much it grew back since I trimmed it, and the progress of my hair and how it looked. That silk press was I loved it, and I probably won't get another one for another year. I'm trying not to put heat in my hair because my hair does really well when I don't put heat in it. This next one is going to be January of 2019 of this year. This is when I did my TGIN wash and go. I really loved my curls, and I loved how full my hair was, and I love how it didn't shrink and how it fell and everything. And then last but not least, my most current picture is going to be from March of 2019 when I went to California. I also had a perm rod set, and I want to say it did get longer since January because I did use bobby pins for the front as well. But also, it just looked like it fell further down my face. So like my perm rod sets now, they're kind of coming down here. when they used to come like up here, you know. So I really love perm rods. They're my go-to for any occasion that I have. And I think my hair takes really well to them. I don't typically use gel. And I think that's it. That's all the pictures I have to show you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching, for helping me go through my hair journey and seeing how much my hair has actually grown and how much it's changed since perm days, transition days to fully natural days. So with that being said, I think that I have been fully natural for about 3 years now. I started my transition about 5 years ago. So been in the game for a little bit. I think my hair should probably have more. I think it should be longer, but you know, you live and you learn. I've always had to cut my hair because I feel like I didn't have a routine, and now that I do. So collarbone is here, and now my hair is right here. So it's grown a lot since I got my silk press and since Christmas break, because I've actually been trying to get on a routine, and I think that's mostly because I've been trying to make you guys some videos, so that's actually helped me a lot with keeping up with the routine. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting us. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our page for more content like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.